Did you know humans are more likely to agree with someone if they're holding a warm drink? Yes, your coffee could make you more persuasive. Your brain has a negativity bias. It clings to bad memories like Velcro and lets the good ones slide off like Teflon. Super helpful. People can experience something called the doorway effect, where you walk into a room and immediately forget why you came in. It's not early onset anything. Your brain just hits delete at every threshold. You can actually convince yourself that you slept well, even if you didn't, and your brain performs better just because you think you're rested. It's called placebo sleep. And yes, we are apparently that gullible. And get this, psychologists once tried to scare people out of risky behavior by showing them pictures of diseased lungs, but it backfired. People smoked more to deal with the stress of the images. Your mind is powerful, irrational, and occasionally self-sabotaging. Basically, it's like having a chaotic little gremlin roommate inside your skull that you can't evict